Hey, Max. I've been having trouble writing this paper, and it's due in about 2 weeks. Where can I go to get some help at?
Oh, lucky for you, I'm a writing advisor. Here, I know exactly where it is. Let's go.
Sweet.
Yes. So I work from 3 to 5 on Thursdays, but for now, I think we have some more people here for you, so they can help you out. All right?
Awesome. Any
All
psychology majors?
Oh, we actually have a lot of psychology majors. Here, let's go in.
All right.
Hi, my name is Melissa Pavlik and I'm the director of the Writing Center here at North Park University. Welcome. I'd like to introduce you to our team.
Hi, I'm Evelyn Ramgren. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I am a comm major here in my 3rd year. Please come to our drop-in shifts, find somebody with a sign in, and bring your writing and we're ready to go.
Hey, I'm Anna Maria, pronouns are they, them, and I'm a 2nd year nursing major at North Park. I specialize in APA and MLA formatting. I can help you with your lab reports. I'm here Tuesday morning and Sunday night, so come say hi.
Hi, I'm Miguel Martinez. I'm also a writing advisor. My pronouns are he, him, his. My drop-in shift is from Wednesdays 1 to 5. If you need any help with any type of creative writing, I'm more than happy to help you. We also have a writing chill event on March 31st where you guys can come hang out with writing advisors, play video games, play board games, and whatnot. So get to know us a little bit more.
Hello, nice to see you again. I'm Max, I'm a he, him, his, and I'm a business and philosophy major, and I love creative writing as well. So if you have anything from those majors or any creative stuff, come on in and I'll help you out.
And I'm Tony from Procrastinators Anonymous, hosted on Wednesdays and Fridays 11 to 1. This is where the procrastinators come to do last minute papers and anonymously submit them.
We meet here.
We meet here.
We meet here.
And even over here.